Okay, so we're making fried egg and bacon Cheetos puff grilled cheese. So we got our puffs, we got our bacon, our eggs, our bread, our cheese. Alright, we're gonna grind up some puffs, make some dust. Alright, that's all good. Looks good. So now I'm putting my bacon in the pan. I'm gonna cook it. There. Got the crumbs here. The Cheetos crumbs. We're gonna coat the one side pretty well. To the pan. Same with this one. Oh, that's good. I'm gonna put my eggs. Let's check on these. Ooh. Okay. There you have it. Cheetos grilled cheese, bacon and eggs. So delicious. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.